Welcome back to another episode of Dr. Tastes Good Barbecue. What I have for you today. Today we're going to be doing up chicken wings over on the Weber Kettle using the Vortex cooking system. For a dry rub today, I'm going with the Rens BBQ and Spices Portland's. And for a sauce, going with the Rens BBQ and Spices Go Bold or Go Home. Enjoy. So let's dive into the prep here. So we're basically going to pat these guys dry. We are going to add some avocado spray in our rub, and all of them we will just fold like so. Do one more of them for you here, just real simple. So we got the drumette and the actual wing there all together. Just fold her over, call it good. Fast forward through the rest of these and prep them up for you. Alright, let's get all set up here. So I got the charcoal where I want it. So I'm going to set the Vortex right smack in the center. Dump this in. Go ahead, we're going to pop this guy and let this warm up for a while. Get our grates cleaned off. Well, we'll get her about 5 minutes there. We'll let her warm up and be right back. Get that chicken on. Alright, time to get the chicken on here. So the plan during this cook here is we are going to go 3 minutes and rotate. So when I mean rotate, I don't mean rotating the chicken. I'm going to be rotating the lids so we can get some even smoke going across here. You guys will see what I mean. There we go. Fits like a glove. Alright, we are 12 minutes into the cook. We have done a full rotation. Give him a little flipsy here. Lid back on and re-roll. Alright, we've completed the rotation. It's time to sauce these babies up. Just a little light coat on the top here. Let these set up for a few minutes, and we will call it good. There we go, lid back on for probably, let's go 4 more minutes. Just let it set up, call it good. Alright, let's see what we did. Should be done so. There they are, looking fantastic. Definitely done. Alright, we'll get these bad boys off. Come on back for a taster. Alright, let's get after it. So there she is. I mean, the Vortex makes it so easy on the Weber kettle. Again, just the rotate, 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 just to get the even smoke going through. But this is one of my favorite sauce rub combinations. Still a bit hot. That's some good stuff, ladies and gentlemen. The rub and the sauce just complement each other fantastically. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like. I'll put a subscribe icon for you. Right there. Another video right about there. Hey, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.